So today it is very hazy out, so humid, oh my goodness, it's crazy. And we just went onto a mooring. We're leaving the boat overnight, and you're not allowed to leave it anchored overnight, so we grabbed a mooring and you had to get escorted to it, which was new, but yeah, it's good. Bow stern mooring, so we feel super solid, and we're gonna go meet some family. Lyndon's family, his aunt and uncle live here and cousin, so we're gonna go meet them, hang out with for a few days. There's a bit of a system coming through as well, so we're staying on the mooring for that, just peace of mind. Yeah, hopefully this fog burns off. It's very hazy out. Look where we are! We're at Knott. Am I going the right way? I don't know if I am. This is pretty open.
Oh boy!
There was so much.
Oh man!
Oh my goodness!
Ah, yeah, come on!
That was bad.
That was dirty! I love roller coasters. Are you ready? Yeah.
This ride so much. Yeah, good barf.
Closed out the park, shut down.
We went on 20, is that 23?
I don't know.
23 rides?
I lost count at the end there
I
because
am
we were
like,
packing them in.
My body says keep going, but my head says I'm so tired. My heart says keep going. So Auntie Sharon just dropped us off. We just spent a few days with Lyndon's aunt and uncle. They hooked us up with Costco. We had fun at Knott's Berry Farm. They lent us their vehicle to go there. And look at this amount of clean clothes and groceries that we have to get back to the boat in our dinghy. Oh my goodness. I don't know how we're gonna do this. How you doing in there? You alright? Here.
Put this.
Yeah. Good morning. Going to get some donuts. It's full dock today. We just went and got a bunch of fresh donuts and I got an Americano and we're gonna go sit at the beach. It's still like, I think it's not even 10 yet. Maybe it's a little after 10.
No, I don't think it. I think we left at 8:30 still.
It's so nice. It's so nice to be out here in the morning. Quiet.
What?
Yeah. The waves aren't, but like people.
Here?
This is so nice. Nice. That's why I married you.
Cheers.
Cheers. So fresh.
I think our donuts are our weakness more than we ever realized, eh?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you still know? Do you still know?
Okay, we just finally had to do something about our microphone, so we just drove the bus, or rode the bus for like an hour and 20 minutes one way, and of course now the wind generator goes off. Anyways,
This is not the new mic.
this is the old mic. I'm gonna put on the new mic and see if it sounds any better. Okay, this is the new mic. Wow, isn't that so much better?
That's so rehearsed.
So today, halfway through the day, we realized, oh, today was daylight savings. And, which was great, we got an extra hour of sleep. Well, we didn't, we just got up an hour earlier
I was so
and wondered
confused
why we were
I
up
was
so
like,
early.
Oh, I'm so awake.
But now, it gets dark an hour earlier. So it's 4:45 and the sun has set. And this is so horrible. Sunlight wise, the biggest issue we're having now is that because we're having like 13 hours of night, our batteries, it's just so much harder on our batteries than it was in summer when you were only getting, you know, I don't know, 6 hours of complete darkness. So anyways, we're just about ready to go down to Mexico. We're trying to get everything organized.
There's a bunch of paperwork and stuff that we have to get together.
We haven't been. I don't think we're good at this stuff, which makes it tough. Plus, there's a bunch of other stuff we have to do. But pretty much once it gets dark, we can't do anything because we can't use our batteries.
We just can't charge the computers. Those eat the batteries.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna have dinner here
At 4:45.
at 4:45 because it's like we go to bed so much earlier than we used to.
But
We're almost ready. We're gonna make the jump from here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna make the jump from here right to Ensenada, Mexico.
that's crazy.
So we got to get it done. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you don't already know, Xanadu is up for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing her, there's a link in the description below. And give us an email, waldesailing@gmail.com. We'd really like for her to go to another adventuring person. So if you want to come cruise the Sea of Cortez, now's your chance.
Thanks for watching, and we want you guys to know that even though we are selling the boat, we still have tons of footage that will be coming out in weekly episodes. So if you do like our episodes, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.